Okay, Shawn, what is this? It looks like sludge. It looks like a deep, thick gumbo. No, you would be surprised. Now imagine somebody made a roux, and in that roux, somebody put the mirepoix in there. You know, your onions, carrots, your celery, red and green peppers. Then somebody cooked the andouille sausage, and these are actually beef sausage. Then somebody real quickly cooked some shrimp. Added your broth, thickened the sauce. Then they took some chicken. They put that chicken on the grill just to get a quick sear. They then put the chicken down here at the bottom of this pan. You got half the pan full of wings, the other half full of, good lord, I can't talk, drums. In the very middle, there are thighs. You can't see them though, because they are underneath the gumbo. I would like to introduce you to baked chicken gumbo. No, this is not leftovers. Literally, this is from the ground up. Yeah, the gumbo that I made is actually that's corn. That's more corn right there. That's all in the refrigerator. The gumbo didn't come out the way I really wanted. It kind of scorched the bottom of it a little bit, but it's still good to eat. This right here kind of saved it. Imagine it's just gumbo with whole pieces of chicken. And this is going back in the oven. You'll see it all later. And by the way, this is not just a Chef Shawn. This is also a Chef Le Juana.
All right. We're about to serve up a dish of homemade gumbo chicken rice. And the homemade gourmet chicken rice is going to be same as like a regular gumbo, except we're going to have whole pieces of gumbo. So this is the corn. And you said you want a leg.
Ooh.
Okay, we're gonna use flaky biscuit. And then we're gonna take the homemade gumbo.
Mm.
Okay, this is for me. I'm taking a sample off this plate. Mmm, perfect. Homemade chicken gumbo. I'm taking a little piece of meat off the leg. With a little rice and some andouille sausage. Perfect.
All right, my turn. Look at the Wolverine going on right now. All right, my turn. Let's go for the rice. Keep it helping. Now me, I want a thigh, so I'm gonna have to dig for it. Come on, come on. Where you at? Big ass thigh. Get all the ingredients. You got shrimp, got sausage, got tomatoes, got corn. Like I said, this is pretty much gumbo with big pieces of chicken. That's all it is. Oh, I want some more ingredients. I want some more shrimp. I want some more sausage. All that. That's a good heaping helping right there. And I don't need the corn. I don't really care too much for corn. Alright, now I also added me a biscuit. Okay, let me find something to prop this up. That don't work. Yeah, that's better. Good Lord, I need to shave or let light. Fuck it. Anyway, alright. Sausage and shrimp. Ooh. Ooh. Good piece of the chicken. Now, what's about to get done to this food is X-rated. Yeah, I don't want to see what happens next. Later.